Hey there tech fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best Alexa compatible devices in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these devices, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The best Alexa compatible devices will raise your home's IQ with the help of Amazon's voice assistant. You see, when you pair certain models of smart lights, locks, speakers, TVs, and more to Alexa, you can control them all using your voice, which is pretty darn cool. Once you own some Alexa compatible devices, you can command them without having to say anything at all, too. And within the Alexa app itself, you can design so-called routines, which automatically trigger various smart home gadgets based on certain conditions. This will help you make your home more intuitive, safer, and more efficient. When you know how to use Alexa to create routines, you can easily make the assistant turn on your smart lights if it hears your smoke detector, or change the temperature on your thermostat when you leave or return home, too. Or maybe you just want to Netflix and chill, in which case, you can use the Alexa compatible device to find your favorite show or movie. Overall, guys, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of smart home devices that work with Alexa and advertise as such on Amazon. And while all of them say that they're the best, most don't actually live up to that claim. So, we've done the testing and research for you to come up with our top 5 list of the best Alexa compatible devices. So without further ado, the first Amazon Alexa device we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the 5th generation ecobee Smart Thermostat. ecobee's 5th generation Smart Thermostat makes our list because, among other things, it has Alexa built in. So, if you want to interact with Amazon's assistant but don't want to install a separate smart speaker, you can simply use this thermostat. With the ecobee 5th generation Smart Thermostat, you get all of Alexa's features, including calling, messaging, and drop-in. The new ecobee also has a much better speaker and Spotify support as well. So, now it's pretty great for playing music if you're looking for a device to provide some background music as well. Most importantly though, among all of its features, the new ecobee has redesigned remote sensors that have a much better range and battery life. This brings us to our next device. So coming in at number 4 on our list, we've got the 4th generation August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Fun fact, the August Smart Lock was one of the first smart locks to work with Alexa. In fact, it's one of the best smart locks overall. This lock is bundled with the Connect accessory too, which lets you link the lock with Alexa. This lock is compatible with more than just Alexa too. It'll also work with HomeKit, Google Assistant, Z-Wave, Nest, and more as well. In addition, it also has convenient auto lock and auto unlock features too, which could come in handy quite often. Overall, guys, if you're looking for one of the best smart locks that you can actually trust, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is the lock you'll want to get. Next up, at our number 3 spot, we've got the Wemo Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug. The Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug is one of the best Alexa compatible devices under $30 and our top choice among the best smart plugs. And while it doesn't have energy monitoring like some other smart plugs, the Wemo Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug does work with all major smart assistants. In addition, this smart plug also has a physical switch, so if you don't feel like asking Alexa to turn your appliance on or off, you can simply just click the button on the Wemo. It also has a clever away mode too, which can make it seem like you're home even when you're not by turning a lamp on every now and then. Overall, the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug can make using your smaller appliances much easier, which is why it's one of our top choices on our list. So next up at our number 2 spot, we've got the Philips Hue LED Smart Bulb Starter Kit. Now, there's a lot of smart lights on the market. However, we feel the Philips Hue LED smart bulbs are some of the best on the market. Why? Because Philips has the widest range of bulb types, and it's also got the Hue app, which lets you do far more with those lights than the other bulbs from other companies. In addition, Philips sells several different types of smart lights, but the company's basic Hue White starter kit includes 2 bulbs as well as a small hub that links the lights to your Wi-Fi. From there, you can command Alexa to dim the lights and the bulbs will respond. However, the bulbs in this kit don't change color though. If you want color changing capabilities, you'll have to get the Philips Hue and White Color Ambiance Bulb Starter Kit instead. Lastly, the only real downside with these bulbs is that they require a hub, which really isn't that big of a deal. So the last Alexa compatible device we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 1 spot, we've got the Amazon Fire TV Cube. Just like its predecessor, the Fire TV, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is one of the best streaming devices around. It lets you use Alexa to control your TV, cable box, and other streaming equipment as well. It also comes with an intuitive interface, excellent 4K HDR picture quality, and every streaming app from Hulu to Sling and DirecTV Now. Also, as a bonus, the Fire TV Cube ships with a new and improved Alexa remote, so you can still navigate manually if talking to Alexa directly doesn't suit your needs. Lastly, as far as downsides are concerned, the Fire TV Cube is probably one of the most expensive streaming devices on the market, and you don't have any options when it comes to editing your home screen. There's also quite a bit of ads on the user interface as well, but if none of this bothers you, then you'll absolutely love the Fire TV Cube. Alright tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which Alexa device you think you'd like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.